Maybe you have seen that Lumega is one of the only companies, together with Luxiga, who has an AI-powered solution for retrofit. I want to show you how we have made an LED retrofit that is quite successful. So first of all, I'm standing here with an existing 60x60 luminaire, and the customer wants to make sure to use this luminaire again. There is a sustainability purpose with that. So they contacted us because they wanted to have a retrofit solution for exact this type of luminaire. When we look into the luminaire, first of all, the existing, we have two fluorescent tubes. There's one here and one here, and then you have a reflector on the top. The thing about this type of luminaire is that first of all, it uses for manufacturing a lot of metal and also aluminium, which means that you basically have a solution where there is a lot of CO2 impact. So that is the main reason why the retrofit is a great solution instead of using other types of luminaires for replacement. So here, what we have done here, the machine that we have created is basically scanning the luminaire, and through that data we are able to manufacture LED inserts that are perfectly fitted into the luminaire. If we look closer to the result that we have gotten here from this specific project, we have a LED engine, which is here in this area. We have a reflector, and the reflector is with a really low UGR setup. So in this case here, we have a general UGR which can be as low as 14, and that's extremely good when it comes to office lighting. What is worth to mention is that even though the UGR is low, we also have the option to have a really high lumens per watt. So this lumens per watt here is shown in the data sheet, but can be as high as 160 lumens per watt, which is extremely high. On the back side, we have a client that wanted to have a backlight solution, so we also were able to give that nice even light on the back side, which will help to bring that same kind of luminaire vibe that it has here from the original form. So we added the backside lighting as well. What is important here is the plug that we have, which is mainly just put it into the area here. So you remove the fluorescent tubes, and then you add this one here in the hole that we have on this side, and then you just click it in, because we have, as I mentioned, cloned the existing reflector, so we're able to click it directly into the luminaire, which saves a lot of time. And this is why Lumega is one of the best companies when it comes to retrofit solution, because we have the exact data on how we are able to fit in the LED insert to the luminaire with less time as possible. So when we work with this, we do not come close to 15 minutes. We try to keep it lower than that, and our new solutions is only around 7 to 9 minutes, which brings the labor cost down, which brings the ROI down. So that is really helping the clients to have it as a no-brainer to use retrofit solutions instead of adding a new luminaire. So overall here we are talking about a solution that can be used in a lot of different luminaires. This is just one of them, and this is an example that you can choose to have an energy saving of at least 50%, and the return on investment is typically, in this case here, including labor cost, 2.5 years, which is really low for these projects.